In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Shopify to Square. Whether you're looking to streamline your business operations or align your branding, transferring your domain can be a simple and straightforward process if done correctly. Let's dive in. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control center for all things related to your online store and domain settings. Once you're there, you want to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Online Store. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Domains. Go ahead and select that. Within the Domains area, you should see a list of all domains associated with your Shopify store. Find the specific domain you wish to transfer to Square. Click on it, which will lead you to a page with detailed domain settings. Here, you need to locate and click on Transfer Domain, and, thereafter, select Transfer to another registrar. Doing so will provide you with an authorization code or EPP code. This code is crucial, so make sure to save or copy it somewhere safe, as you'll need it later in the process. Now it's time to jump into your Square account. Log into your Square dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Online tab on the left navigation menu and click through to the Domain Management section. You're going to look for an option to add or transfer a domain. Click on Transfer Domain. You'll be prompted to enter the domain you want to bring over to Square. Make sure you type the domain name you've just obtained from Shopify precisely as it is. The next step will prompt you to input the authorization code we retrieved earlier. Paste the code into the designated field, and be sure there's no extra spaces or errors. This step ensures that you own this domain and you're authorized to make this change. After entering the code, you'll confirm the transfer request. At this point, you might be asked to pay a fee to renew the domain for an additional year. This is a standard part of domain transfers and ensures the continued registration of your website's domain. Once all steps are completed, it might take a short amount of time for the transfer to finalize. Domain transfers usually take a few days, so don't be surprised if your domain isn't immediately ready on your Square dashboard. Meanwhile, it's essential to look for confirmation emails from both Shopify and Square, keeping you informed about the transfer status. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully initiated the transfer of your domain from Shopify to Square. Remember, patience is key, as this process doesn't happen instantaneously. It's always a good idea to check back in on your Square account to verify once the transfer is complete. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments below.